it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today is the second episode in my new series, Palettes on Probation, where I take the palettes that I basically set aside as maybes that I'm decluttering, and I test them out and see whether or not I want to keep them or pass them on. I did have you guys vote in the comments last time on what palette you wanted me to use in this episode, and the Dose of Colors Snow Angels won. So I'm super excited to test that out with you guys today. Let's just zoom in and get started. I've already primed my eyes with the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Shadow Primer, and the Snow Angels palette is this 5-pan all matte palette right here. So I will be pulling other shadows for shimmers because I really love having shimmer in my look. I don't know that I've, maybe once or twice I've done an all matte look, but I can't remember doing an all matte look. So I'm definitely going to pair this with another palette, but the reason why I haven't been reaching for this one is because I remember the mattes being really sheer and buildable, whereas I expected intense pigment right off the bat. So we're gonna play with it again today and see how the pigment is. Okay, this isn't bad. I just took that medium bright blue tone, and this is like better than I remember it being, and is blending pretty nice. So immediately it deposits this pigment and then it shears out to this when you blend it out. So I guess maybe if I had the style more of packing it on and blending out the edges, this might work better for me, but that's not how I like to apply my makeup. Like what I'm doing right now is what I like. So if it doesn't work for me for how I like to apply my makeup, then it doesn't work for me. Yeah, that really does sheer out quite a bit. Then I'm going into that dark, like navy blue. Okay, this is looking promising. What I did after I packed it on the lid on the other eye was I took the medium blue and I packed that in the crease to kind of blend it together with the medium blue that was blended out, and I think that looks really nice over here. See, I'm just packing that medium blue in the crease to kind of transition into the diffused medium blue. Okay, now I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and sort of blend that together. Okay, now I'm taking another Dose of Colors palette, the Friendcation palette, and I'm taking this color right here, which I think is A Moment. The names are on a sticker on the back. I'm not sure if they're directly behind it or what, but I'm gonna say this is A Moment, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. I really love these glittery shades from the Friendcation palette. They're so pretty. So this is a bit intense. I think I want to incorporate the pinks on the lower lash line. So I'm going to take the darkest pink and put that tight to the lashes. I've been really digging like doing a different colored lower lash line, even with a colorful lid. Then take the medium pink and blend that out. Then take the lightest pinky color and really diffuse that. Really blow it out. I'm gonna clean that up with concealer. Yep, and put on some liner and mascara. And I'll be right back to make my decision on this palette that I'm made myself look super ridiculous with. So I added a wing and mascara and cleaned it up a little bit because I got a little out of hand with the lower lash line. And then I took the shade Just a Kiss right here on the inner corner and the brow bone to add, you know, the finishing touch. And one, I don't think I like that shade as an inner corner or brow bone highlight at all. I don't think I'm going to do that again. I think it's way too glittery for that. But other than that, I do really like how this look came out. I think it's smoky and sexy and colorful. I like it a lot. But at the same time, I wasn't super in love with how these shadows went on. I'm unsure. So instead of having you guys vote on what palette I use next, I'm going to have you guys vote in the comments, keep or declutter the Snow Angels palette. All you have to say is keep or declutter. And I will do whatever the majority says, because I'm on the fence still. Like, this testing it was supposed to help me decide, and I don't know. Let me just get closer and show you the look. What do you guys think? Do you think this is something I should keep in my collection, or is it really that glittery shade I should not have used as a brow bone highlight? There's like glitter everywhere. Or do you think that I should pass it on to somebody else? It's not that great. Let me know in the comments below, please. I really need your help. And I will be back in 2 weeks with this series with a surprise palette, since you guys aren't voting on it, and we will test something else. That completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.